Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide information about widgets, versioning, and buttons when customizing page layouts. Within DecisionLender, each loan type and page combination has its own layout. This will define the orientation and placement of widgets, buttons, and content on a page. Navigating to the Page Layout section. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. On the sidebar menu, click on the Customize tab. Click on the Page Layouts subtab. Select a page from the drop-down that you would like to customize. Select the loan type. Click on the Show Object Model button. Within the Widgets drop-down, select the type of widget you would like to add. The types of widgets used to customize page layouts are panel, 1, 2, 3, or 4-column widgets, empty cell, label, HTML content, e-sign, and calculator. For more information about panels and 1, 2, 3, and 4-column widgets, please see the first Customize Page Layouts video. Empty cell for FlexGrid only. The empty cell widget can be used to fill in empty spaces in tables between widgets to create additional spacing. It can also be used to align fields in the panel and/or widget. Drag and drop the empty cell widget into the desired panel. Label. The label widget can be used to display static text on a page, or used in a table to display a default field label when identifying a row and/or column. When customizing your layout, you can drag and drop the label into a 1, 2, 3, or 4-column widget. HTML content. The HTML content widget allows you to add custom HTML to a page using raw HTML. HTML content may be used to add a label name, static text, spacing, etc. E-sign. The e-sign widget is used and configured by TCI for electronic signature. Additional functionality must be added in order for this functionality to work. If you are interested using e-sign on your site, please contact your TCI client support specialist. Calculator. The calculator widget is used for payment call. The calculations method can be based on the amount financed or DTI. The calculator widget should be added to the decision structure page, if applicable. Note: there are additional steps required in order for payment call to be functional. Page layout versioning. Each page layout starts with DecisionLender's predefined layout. The version name starts with a V and includes the time and date stamp of the latest default layout modified by TCI. The version of your page layout is tied to the application workflow for that loan type. Selecting Save as New will create a new page layout, adjusting the version number and updating the time and date stamp. Selecting the Update button will update the current version you are working on but will not change the version number or time and date stamp. Any changes made to the layout will only impact new applications going forward. If you want to restore a previous version of a page layout, select the version from the drop-down and click on Save as New. Page buttons. Page buttons are used to navigate the user through the application workflow, apply field validations, and invoke an action or ad hoc event. Predefined buttons, generic, do not appear in the Show object model and cannot be added to your page. Only custom buttons may be added to your page. For additional information on predefined buttons, please refer to the user manual under the Customize Page Layout section. Page button field validation will allow you to verify data before anyone submits or saves a page. This is to ensure that it meets your criteria. An error message will appear and not allow the user to proceed if the criteria are not met. Validation rules may be applied to page buttons. How to add a field validation to a page button. From the sidebar menu, select the Customize tab, and then select Page Buttons. Select the page from the drop-down list. Click on the green Edit icon in the Action column. On the Edit button page, add your expression and error message within the pre-click function editor. Click Update when completed. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.